I mentioned most of the restaurants were really good. Test kitchen was interesting. I give them a 10 out of 10 for innovation and taking risks, but maybe a 2 or 3. Not that the food was bad, it was just weird, it was different. The whole restaurant is, in a sense, there was hundreds of seats to sit, and for some reason they chose to sit us right next to people that we didn't know, which is fine, but I'm like, could we just scoot down one seat? Do I have to sit right next to this stranger? This is like a mushroom, I think, steamed. I don't know. It's like I was created in a lab or something. I'm not sure. I don't know what was going on. That's bread. The water was good. Get to this point where there's like this, it's like some sort of hummus mushroom based spread. It was okay. They were really proud of this. This is the, smoky. They would give each person these if they ordered them, and they do this big reveal. It's like smoked, I forget now, I'm watching the video back in post, smoked peas with an egg yolk in the middle. Really strange. It was kind of gross. Just the consistency. If you're a consistency person, maybe go to the other restaurants before you try Test Kitchen. So yeah, real reaction. Sitting by strangers. Desiree loved it, I guess, question mark. I was trying to win her over, but there are all these empty seats, and they're like, let's sit strangers right next to each other. This will be great. Yeah, ate that, went on to, I guess you dip the bread. I mean, the flavor was pretty good, just kind of, ugh. This, I don't know what it is. I can't tell if that's fruit or vegetables or beef. I don't know what that is, if that's ham, cantaloupe, plantains, I'm not sure. I forget. That might be seafood and a ham, Virginia smoked ham from like, I don't know. This I call the Splatter House. This is some sort of beef. They're very proud of it. It was like beet spray. It looked like blood. I don't get it. I forget what's on the left. Some sort of potato-based thing. I'm showing my ignorance. Oh yeah, it's blueberries, I think. Splattered in blood with fake real beef. Don't know. Oh, and they put a little chocolate tree branch or something, some sort of cinnamon thing. But hey, art is subjective, food is subjective. Really great people, really nice. Just was not a fan of that. And they just kept piling up the branches on my thing. They were filming, so I was filming, so they must have thought this guy's really good. And it was some mustardy kind of sauce. I don't know if that's caramel, mustard, not sure. Just interesting. It was quite the journey. Your taste buds. So God bless them. Really proud. Just so weird. Yeah, you got these little guys. I think it's cheese, maybe. With almonds or something. Pecans. So yeah, that was pretty good. That was like a chocolate cake with raspberries. Pretty good. So yeah, cool atmosphere. But the food it wasn't bad food, just different. So okay, I'm talking too much about this.